To install your new SEC Online sliding door, you will need a cordless drill, a 3mm and a 4mm drill bit, a Phillips screwdriver, a hacksaw, and a pop rivet gun. With your new SEC Online door, you will have received one lock striker with 2 Phillip head screws, 5 rivets, 2 keys, and a frame interlock. For your own safety, we strongly recommend you wearing closed steel cap shoes and protective eyewear. Start by placing your door inside the top and bottom tracks, aligning top rollers to the top track first. Slide back and forth to make sure that you have the rollers correctly on the track. Next, using the Phillips head screwdriver, adjust the roller screws located on the back inside of the door. Start with the bottom rollers, adjusting them only to align the door square with the closing channel. Once the door is aligned, then adjust the top rollers down, only enough to take up and down movement out of the door. Test this frequently, as over-adjustment may cause excessive pressure on the rollers, which may damage them. Next, install the lock. Start by placing the supplied key in the lock from the outside position with the lock striker receiver mounted in the lock. Roll the door into the closed position and mark the top and bottom of the striker receiver as it sits in the receiving channel. Remove the receiver striker and line it up to the marks. Drill the top hole only in the center of the elongated hole with a 3mm drill bit. Now fix the striker receiver to the receiving channel and adjust accordingly. Once the lock has been tested and is functioning correctly, then drill and install the bottom screw. Next, install the frame interlock. Put the door in the closed position. The back of the door should be approximately 5mm over the fixed glass panel receiving interlock. Place the frame interlock provided on the back of the door so it fits into the fixed glass panel receiving interlock. Using a 4mm drill bit, drill and pop rivet the frame interlock with the rivets provided. Slide back and forth to ensure correct function. In some cases, it may be necessary to adjust the length of the frame interlock. This can be done with a hacksaw. Congratulations, you have now installed your new SEC Online sliding door. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact one of our friendly staff.